Hey you, wanna play chess? Maybe for a little bit. Oh boy, I'm late. I gotta go. What did you say your name was? Mark. Let's see, what is there to watch? Ooh, our first encounter with an alien life form? I can't believe I'm saying this, but scientist Dr. Stephen Clay has encountered an alien life form which appears to be a living slime monster that devours human flesh. As Dr. Clay had trouble studying this creature, he decided to gather up the greatest scientists from around the world and create an advanced machine capable of containing this creature, which they call the Devil Machine. Oh my goodness. Is that Stephen Clay? I really gotta go talk to him. Am I actually talking to the Stephen Clay? Am I actually talking to the Tristan Lark? I'm a big fan of your work. I'm a big fan of your music. And because we know each other, I'm going to give you a tour of my science lab. Really? Yes, hop in. Okay, so we are here. Whoa. So, tell me about yourself, Tristan. Well, I'm 26 years old. I play many instruments, and I'm in a band. That right there is an alien life form that arrived on our world. We named him Arthur. Question: if Arthur devours humans, how do you grow him without taking lives? The government delivers us prisoners that have been sentenced to death penalty, so we can use them. Interesting. So, Tristan, there is one thing that we have done that has totally gone viral. Ooh, what is it? We have found out that Arthur can kill cancer. Seriously? Arthur can cure cancer? Yes, we have made Arthur into a special drug that can cure cancer. Sir, what is going on? It appears, Doctor, that Arthur is trying to take control of our technology. How is he doing this? Shut him down! Did Arthur submit? Yes. The thing is, we are trying to take control of Arthur, but it is becoming the other way around. Arthur isn't just a being, he is a super being. Even when he isn't devouring humans, he is still gaining these cosmic abilities beyond our comprehension. What is Arthur's weakness? His weakness is the cold. We might have to destroy him
No,
before he
no,
breaks free of
no.
the
We
devil.
must try harder to take control of this demon. Hey, Tristan. Let me show you around.
Sure. I have some bad news for this corporation. The government will no longer deliver us bodies.
What? The government is no longer bringing us the resources we need to expand this cure? If the government won't support us in our mission, we are going to have to expend Arthur the hard way. Arthur has escaped. Run, Tristan. Hey, you are not authorized to be here. Get out of my way, Tristan. No, I need answers. Last chance. 3, 2. So long, my friend. Get out of here! Hey everybody, I know the weakness of this monster. If we want to bring an end to this alien invasion, we need to gather up all the fire extinguishers we could find. Along with that, Mr. Lark, I have something to show you. Wow, how did you make such a thing? I'm not just a baker, I'm an engineer. You did it! Arthur is gone! Boy, is Connor gonna be happy about this.